Morning folks, how you all doing? I don't know what to say really. Life is pretty chill right now. We are where we want to be. Well, we're in the right country. We just need a lot of driving north to do. But we're just speaking to a local. Having a chat, really friendly, as expected. But it got onto the Rona subject, and he's like, "Ah, yeah, we've all had it." Oh, it's brilliant. The right attitude up here. Right, I'm gonna have my second coffee of the morning, and then see what we're doing for the rest of the day. This was our campsite last night. Really nice. Back to the good stuff, you know, barbecue provided, benches. That's a toilet, and that's a family of sticks, which was a bit weird when we pulled up. Mum and Dad at the back there, got the kids, got the dogs. Random, but yeah, we're going to get off now anyway. I think I've found us a spot, maybe. Basically the plan is, obviously we're going north. Although it's nice down here, once you get past the lower third, that's when it really starts to come into its own and become epic. It's mostly farmland in the south. But yeah, not rushing, taking our time. We just want to get up a little bit as well, because obviously the lower half is very populated. Well, not very populated, but it's the most populated area of Sweden. So we want to try and get past that. Oh my god, there's a road that goes through this lake. Off we go. About 2 hours drive, 100 kilometres. But that is fine considering what we've just done. To the beautiful open countryside of southern Sweden. Look at that. Oh, I love my life right now. How good does this feel? No stress driving again. I can already tell I'm never going to want to leave it.
You're telling me?
Just done our first fuel fill up in Sweden. Too bad. I managed to bollocks it up the first time though, so I had to put the pin in twice. But, you know, it's quite hard language to read.
Continue for 1 kilometre.
However, the good point is the fuel worked out to about £1.17 in English money. So that is not bad at all. So nice driving here. I can't tell you how just chilled out driving is.
500 meters at the roundabout.
Because the speed limits are so slow. But it's just the right speed that you can make progress safely and take in your surroundings still. It's brilliant. Steady. Easy, tiger. What a spot, folks. Just been in the lake for a little shower. It's just mega. I've got no words. Bob, why? I knew it was the right decision coming here. Although it was an utter bastard to actually get here. You can't beat this. You just can't beat it. And we're not even north yet. I'm moving the camp, I think. I'm going to move into the woods. Excited to see some moose, and there's all sorts here. There's bears, moose, wolverines. This is what it's all about. Back to just chilling, you know, taking each day as it comes, move on, not move on, and just enjoy the world again. I've not felt this chilled for a long time, and I'm glad that I found a way to bring you all along as well, because we very nearly didn't have this anymore. Came this close. I'm glad that I can still, you know, put these videos out there and people still enjoy watching them. I can't wait to see where this journey goes, I tell you. I mean, it's, you know, it's sunny and warm now. I'm in shorts, but give it a couple of months, it's going to be brutal. Didn't see that on the way up. That's a bit funky looking. Let's see if they like it. I thought it was pretty cool down there. A bit more private. Morning folks, how are you all? What a place to wake up, eh? Just having a bit of brekkie, and then I'm going to get on the road. I'm not going to go very far. Just try and do lots of small drives rather than one big one. Just a little bit each day, because it is a long way. I mean, it's like 1500 kilometers from here to the top. So I want to try and get sort of halfway up before the weather starts to really turn, because then we're in a good position to either go higher or go back down, depending on, you know, how we feel. What we don't want to be doing is trying to go up from here in the extreme winter, because it might be difficult.
name's Squibbins and I'm going with my mum and dad.
Oh, I didn't realise you were recording.
Pull up to a camp spot and there's a helipad.
Oh no, dogs are allowed in actually.
Now, yeah.
Not past 15.
That fell off.
No, that's still there.
You suck.
Where is he? Has he gone back? Oh, that's no fun, is it?
Deep now.
Sorry?
Don't leave.
Oh, got told off. Oh, actually, it is quite scary. Abort mission. Abort mission. Abort mission. Yeah. Tell them, honey, what's happened.
Going down at the back.
Wait, does that mean we've got a hole then?
Yeah.
It's raining. Wait, over there, over there.
It's going down fast.
What's happened?
We've got a leak.
I blame you, I do. You know why? 'Cause
It's not an air leak, it's a water leak.
You took it on that fucking river.
Oh, hang on a minute.
Oh, you not sealed it?
I reckon the bungs are open.
For fuck's sake.
Yep.
Oh, you're an arsehole, you know that.
I'm not a professional.
Well, you should be.
Oh, that's it.
It's alright, at least it's not broken though. At least it's not broke.
Scary, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's why the back
Yeah.
water.
And that is what it's designed for, isn't it? That little hole.
Yeah.
So you can drain it.
It's
Having a wee. Round 2, ladies and
I think we
gentlemen.
don't go out too far. That was funny as like sinking.
It's so tranquil.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to come out.
Oh my god. You know what we should do? We should come out in the morning time. Yeah. Get all the mist on the water. This is pretty special, isn't it?
Hmm?
It's pretty special.
Mm-hmm.
They're going to set off any minute now.
Probably attack us.
Oh shit on us. Hey, there they go. Oh. Sorry.
Hmm?
You just disrupted them.
The water behind us now. Surprised I'm even letting you hold that thing. Your track record. Oh, so nice. Look where we are. And what is this? We could still be sat in Leicestershire. Well, we were, what, 1 week ago? And now we're in a lake in Sweden.
That's where we could be. Oh my god, imagine if we just saw a moose walk by now.
This would be quite a good way to see them.
Yeah. Oh my god, that light.
Yeah.
Come on, Squibbins.
It's gone very nice.
Look what they're doing.
Will you take a picture of me and Babsy?
Oh, ski. Got my eyes on.
I think one of you two if you want.
Open up slightly.
Not bad, is it? Just think, a week ago, we were in Leicestershire. Yeah, I mean, yet again, don't know what to say to you. It's, I think the footage probably speaks for itself, really. Another chilled out, awesome day. For the rest of the evening, I'm just gonna fire up the computer, probably have a look at the pictures I took earlier, and yeah, just chill really. Go to bed soon. Been going to bed way earlier. Sort of getting prepared for winter. Because I'm probably going to be having to get up at like 5-6 o'clock every day. Or we're going to have literally no day. Right, I'm going to end this one here. Remembering to end the video today. So I shall probably see you all tomorrow. Catch you in a bit, folks.